Okay. So now we see how to add a button to the page. Click on button on the left, then you will open. Okay. So these are the different types of buttons that can be added to a page. We choose the second one. Okay. So name it as open event. So when I click on the button, something should happen, right? So that happening is the action. Okay. So in the action, click on the action on the top right, and we have multiple different options. You can open this, the button can do nothing. It can just be some button. Okay. Or you can click on open URL. It will open a website. You can open a form. You can open a report. Or you can open another page. So the application right now is simple. Okay. If you have a complex application with multiple different pages, from one page you can open another page. So open page can be done. Or you can execute some code. Okay. You can execute Java, Node.js, or Deluge code. Okay. Deluge, you can see what is Deluge. It's a create a scripting language. So you can do all these things. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button that will open up a form. Okay. Events form. The form is events and it will open in a new window. You click on that button, it will open up the form in a new window. Okay. Come to the live mode and when you click on the button, it will open up the form in a new window. Okay. All of you done with the button. So next what is the next one? We're just adding a third element. Did you all add the button? See, by default, your browser will block the ads. Like it will cut down all the notifications. Top right corner, if you're seeing that, go and allow notification. Immediately, new page will open the new tab. Your output is coming, but towards the right corner, you will be able to see that ads and notifications are blocked. That is why it is not opening in the new tab. Yeah, because enable pop-ups. We need enable pop-ups. Yeah. If you are opening something in a new window, if you are opening the same window, you need not enable pop-up. So that also will become configured. So this happens because we gave it the instruction to open it in a new window. Okay? That's the instruction. See the different options. Here there is new window, right? You can click on same window or you can click on pop-up. And you can display it in multiple different formats. Okay? Click on same window and then save it as that. I click on same window and then it opens that result. Okay? Now in the search bar, okay, on the left, click on search. Uh, click on the search bar on the left and choose this one. Choose the first one, drag it over the canvas. So drag and drop the search bar onto the page, and on the properties, click on report. Okay, we're going to be searching in a report. So click on report, and search window component should be selected as reports. Okay, and the target report is alumni profile report. So this is where we are going to provide the search criteria. Okay, what we are going to search and what information we are going to extract from the report. So we are searching the alumni profile report, and we are going to search based on the current employer of the alumni. Which company the alumni, the person is passed to the institution is employed in. Okay. So select the list round up. Are you able to follow? Add a search button, yes. Add a search button onto the page. Okay. This is done. Now, which field? Yes, yes. Click on search. Okay, on the left hand side, search. Okay, and there are four different options. Okay, choose the first one, drag and drop, and place it below the open event button. Or you can place it anywhere also, it's up to you. Now, on the right hand side, it will show you this menu. Report and page will be displayed on the right hand side. We are going to be searching from a report. Okay, so we are going to choose report on the right hand side. The search result component is a report. Okay, so which report are we searching? I am going to why? I am finding out who's the current employer of an alumni. So from the alumni profile report, I am going to search in the current employer name. Okay, have you understood? Yes. Okay. So alumni profile report. Select field. What field will this be? So here there are different options you can choose. If you choose additional needs, what will happen? Can you take a guess? If the current employee is additional is, what will happen? So what will happen is, if the current employee is not filled, only then this result will appear. That is additional. Okay. So it is not then this. All the values which have a current employer will be retrieved. Okay. Equals means whatever string that you give will be exactly matched to the employer. Say for example, an employee is in Amazon. Okay, but you type so the actual employee is Amazon Private Limited, but you type Amazon. So if you provide equals, it will not return result because the strings are different. Amazon is Amazon Private Limited. Strings comparison. This you see later in the review session. I'm just giving you a hint of what's going on. So what we do is contains. Input is contains. Okay. So whatever text that contains the first string, input dot first string. Okay. What is that? Yeah, that is the text we are giving it. In the search bar, we'll be typing something, right? Say for example, search bar typing Amazon. Okay, that input that search string is Amazon. So if the result contains Amazon, that will be retrieved from the search bar. Okay, understood? Input has become done. Okay. Similar format. And return same window. Okay. And placeholder is any value that will be present by default. Okay. Enter a company name. So save it, click on done, and then refresh your library. So search for separate. So let us see a company register and type JP into the search bar for this company called JP Government Case. So we had provided contains, right? So what will happen is click on enter. All employers that contain JP will get returned. Okay. Okay. So this is how the input at search thing contains to retrieve a search result from the button from the search bar. Okay. So that is the one. Finally, see how to see how to embed a chart on the page. Everybody find with this done? Injury started in before the whatever value will be result that we need. So you could give any value to the company. That will be different value of
Yes, what are they?
No, we will.
Please elaborate. That is
So now we see what all of our determine this, right? So we see one more final component for pages. The chart. How to add a chart? Okay. Okay, I'll come to the edit mode and come to the page. Open the edit mode. Open the page, my dashboard, and come to the edit mode. Okay. Open page builder. So in this page we got a donut chart for the chart element. On the left hand side, you have chart right. You got it will open these tabs. Scroll down. And the donut will be available. Okay? Click on the left hand side panel. Click on chart there and drag and drop the donut out of the chart. Okay? So what we're going to do is from the algorithm profile form, we're going to split up departments. Okay? So x-axis will be a degree and the label will be graduate degree. Okay? Have you added a dot chart? Change the category of x-axis to degree. Drag and drop the page to donut chart and change the x-axis category to degree and label to graduate degree. Then come to y-axis. Value type is aggregate and count of degree. Okay. And put y-axis label as alumni count. So now this donut chart will be rendered. All of you getting it? Yes. It is happening here. So like this, we can create other custom chart also by changing the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay.
Please, you all got the reports. So, this really rapid will not be seeing anything new for the day, but we just do a quick recap of what we did. Okay, but I'm not going to answer. I think you are then because I told you consider I'm also a non-technical person. Along with you, I was also learning then and there. Okay, so just let us recap once again what we learned today. Okay, so from where did we start? What's the first thing that we can remember? Gain inside the house. You start and find out your word. Okay. Then, okay, we start by knowing that we will be building a alumni management app, and there are four key components, which is forms, reports, traces, and workflows. So you started building by what did you start? Forms. How many forms did you build? Can you name some of the forms? What was no, one at a time. Someone. Can you just say all of more of it? Alumni profile forms. What is After creating forms, what did you learn? What was the next concept session? No. Before that, there was a topic where you learned how each form can interact with other. Then subforms. Correct? So in forms, we created 5 forms and then we learned the concept of lookup where each form can interact and then we saw subforms. After that, we moved with reports. Correct? And reports, you tried a lot of different forms of reports. After reports, pages or dashboards where you pull in different panels. It could be a number, widget, or it could be a search component. It could also be a report panel, chart panel. Yes. So, and buttons. Yeah, right. So, don't everything is done. So far, this is what you've seen. And he is giving you then give a heads up for derivation, right? Programming, yes, Prasanna?
Yes, scripting.
Yeah, scripting language where tomorrow you will go a little deeper into it. But is there anything that they should be prepared of instead of something?
No.
If you have time, add some data to your application. It will not do anything. Just add some data. Try playing around with some data. More, say, add an event, add more merchandise. Add relevant data. So if you're putting, so that if you're using a map report, you can see the pins. Put cities like a Delhi or London. Put proper addresses. Add some relevant data.
Just play with the app, just explore few more components. You have time and he'll be there available tomorrow as well. So if you are really interested and if you have some queries or doubts, you can note it down and get it clarified tomorrow. So there is some scope still with that same curiosity, like you are happy when there is an output and display, right? So just go home, just explore, sit in front of it for some time. If you have some doubts, note it down and you can clarify it tomorrow. Okay?
Keep this app as it is. Build a different app and play around. If you want, try using AI. Try uploading spreadsheets that you have. Try making apps out of it. Do all these mixing and matching, but keep this separately because we continue from the same place tomorrow with the new app.
Hope you had a nice session.
Thanks.
Ini particular software.
മണ്ണിന്റെ മതി തിരികെ ആർക്കും വേണ്ട എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട
We'll just give it to her. Don't worry.
കോഫി
Coffee.